Okay, we can start with dogs. Today we will read about dog breeds. Okay, breeds of dog. Then first question comes to our mind: why do we keep dogs and cats? Hmm? Why do we keep
as a companion animal.
as a companion animal? Companion animal means
सर मतलब like a
मतलब कि
friend type. इकोनॉमिकल बेनिफिट नहीं होता लेकिन हेल्प करता है और
सोसाइटी में से बहुत है अलग
बॉन्डिंग
लेवल
रखता
पे भी
है.
हेल्प हो जाता
like recreation,
लाइक सर
most
हाँ
prominent.
रिक्रिएशन
हाँ,
नेचुरल
recreation.
डिजास्टर में
हाँ,
मतलब रेस्क्यू पर्पस में
हाँ, like rescue
आर्मी में,
operations.
मिलिट्री में,
हाँ,
यस
हाँ,
बॉम्ब स्क्वाड में.
यस
as a helper you can say. Huh? Those
हाँ
who are
यस सर.
lonely, those who are in
हाँ
who resides lonely, they can take help from animals. Huh?
यस
यस
और सर ये फिजिकली इम्पेयर्ड लोगों के लिए भी मतलब
Mm,
डॉग्स ब्लाइंड और
yeah,
ये
yeah, that is
पीपल के
also
लिए
there. That is also there.
वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज
Mm.
प्रोटेक्शन भी करता है.
Uh, even for
और
hunting, even
क्रिमिनल
for
केसेस में
हेल्प
hunting,
करता है.
for guarding, for
यस
sports,
यस.
हाँ स्पोर्ट्स
and based on their utility, animal has been classified accordingly. Okay. Then first come the history of dogs. Which family dog belongs? Uh,
कैनेडा
Kennedy. Which is direct descendant from wolf. Okay. Their scientific name is what? Canis familiaris. This may be asked. Scientific name may be asked. And history says domestication of dogs has been started since 1,000 years ago. Further, more than 228 pure breeds are available across the world. Simultaneously, a lot many more, like around 100 mixed breeds are also available in the world. Means family is what? Canidae. Scientific name is Canis familiaris. More than 228 pure breeds are available. Then characteristics of dog, just to see. Their height may ranges from 6 inches to 40 inches at the shoulder. Height कहाँ से लेते हैं बाबू? From where do we measure height of animals? Height at withers.
तो शोल्डर.
हाँ, withers
विजर्स तो कैटल
कैटल. हाँ, कैटल में लेते हैं.
कैटल
इसमें भी वही है. शोल्डर से जस्ट ऊपर, विदर तो उससे ऊपर ही होगा ना. हाईएस्ट पॉइंट जो बॉडी का होता है वहां से हाइट लिया जाता है.
यस सर.
तो हाईएस्ट पॉइंट एनिमल का विदर होता है. ठीक है. अभी तक लोग ज्वाइनिंग कर रहे हैं. Their life expectancy ranges from 9 to 15 years, and some animals may live up to 20 years of age. Simultaneously, a small dogs live longer than large dogs. Okay, and common traits are: animal sheds hair once in a year. They have non-retractable claws. Retractable claws means
सर
like
अंदर हो जाता है वो
हाँ
जो
नाखून
विड्रॉ कर सकते
में होता है
हाँ they can withdraw
जब
their
सिखा देता ना
clause.
तो निकल जाता है
Like where do we get this retractable clause? Like
लायन टाइगर
tigers, lions, these things. Okay, but here in dogs they are non-retractable. Okay,
मतलब सर
वही तो बता रहा था कि नॉर्मली ये नहीं
बताइए ना सर, नहीं समझ में आया।
हंटिंग करने के लिए।
रिट्रैक्टेबल का मतलब क्या हुआ कि जब वो जरूरत होगा तो बाहर निकाल लेगा, नहीं जरूरत होगा तो वो अंदर रहेगा। ठीक है, जैसे कैसे
मगर
छुरी
इसका ऐसा नहीं होता।
छुरी फोल्ड करने वाला होता, क्या होता है जब आप खोलोगे
रामपुरी
तो खुल जाएगा, जब
सर
पैक
नेल
रखो।
कुछ
हाँ, तो ये नेल इसमें फिक्स्ड नेल है, इसमें डॉग में, जबकि
डॉग
हाँ उसमें क्या है, वाइल्ड एनिमल्स में जनरली लायंस टाइगर में रिट्रैक्टेबल क्लॉज है।
सर आवाज आपको कट
रिट्रैक्टिव।
Further, they have 42 adult teeth, and as you
सर
know,
शेड हेयर वन सही है, इसका मतलब सर
जनरली अपना हेयर छोड़ता है, गिराता है, देखते
अच्छा
हो।
एक साल में हेयर निकाल देते।
जनरली नॉट, वो गिरता रहेगा और वो रिप्लेस हो जाएगा मोटा मोटी, है ना। Similarly, they have pointed canine teeth. You know, canine teeth is for what?
टेयरिंग ऑफ फ्लैश
Tearing of
फॉर द
fleshes.
टीयरिंग
for,
सर।
for tearing. Okay. Then comes the body parts of dog. Just to see the body part, what you find: nose, muzzle, lips, ears, cheek, feathers. You see feathers. Okay. Then back, loin, hip. These things you know, na? Similar to cattle or any animals. Okay.
यस सर।
नोज के बगल में क्या लिखा हुआ है? स्टॉप।
क्या
सर पे क्या लिखा हुआ, साइन क्या लिखा हुआ?
वो
स्निप है
स्टेप, वो जो
Stop.
स्टेप जहाँ पे बांधते हैं ना मुंह एनिमल का। जनरली जब एनिमल को कंट्रोल करते हैं या कुछ बांधते हैं स्ट्रैप से, उसी से नाम आया है वो। लोग अभी तक ज्वाइन ही कर रहे हैं जी, कितना ज्वाइन करेंगे ये लोग। Now come to the classification of dog.
सर
Animal have been classified in so many groups like terrier, working. This classification is very important, you see. Terrier, working, sporting, hound, herding, toy, and non-sporting. You see, in next column, example of the same has been written, and further next, usage of animals has been written. Like terrier, a group of terriers, you see, example, bull terrier, fox terrier, Irish terrier. These are all exotic breeds. Mostly even in India, what we are having in our homes, they all are exotic breeds. All are exotic. You see, even Labrador or German Shepherd or whatever breeds we are having at our home, mostly exotic. And one thing we can say, their characterization at our place, you see, means we are not able to name our dogs even. We have very few dogs at our home. Means we could able to name those dogs, you see. Means characterization of animal is still required at our place. Okay. The terrier, use of terrier is what? Originally they used for catching prey, like rabbit, foxes, badgers, these things. Okay. Next group is barking group, like Coolie. These are all name of breeds. Okay. German Shepherd, you know, German Shepherd, Saint Bernard, then Coolie, Boxer, you might be knowing, Boxer, and they are used for guards, guides, herders. Okay, these things they are used for guarding of areas. Like German Shepherd is very good guard animals. Similarly, Saint Bernard is also useful. They are muscular, even-tempered, and obedient. They are obedient, even-tempered, and muscular. Okay. Next group is sporting. Next group is sporting. Example of this group is pointers, retrievers. These are also group pointers, retrievers, setters, spaniels, like Irish setter, golden retriever.
Golden retriever.
These you might have seen here, no? In this dog fair, I think golden retriever and Irish setter were there. Okay, pointers, retrievers, setters, and spaniels, like cocker spaniel, Irish setter, golden retriever, these things. These dogs generally hunt by air scent. Okay, they hunt by air scent. It means they can be good what? Tracker. You see, tracker. Tracker. Similarly, other group is horned group. Horned. Like beagles, bloodhound, foxhound. What is their usage? What are their usage? They track their prey by ground scent. They track their prey by ground scent. One was what? Air scent.
Air scent.
That retrievers and setters. Whereas these hounds used to track their prey by ground scent. Okay. Similarly, greyhound types such as Whippets, Borzols, and Salukis. Similarly, they hunt mainly by sight. These are also their attributes, you see, characteristics, you may say. Then other group is herding, you see. This may overlap, this classification, you see. Sometimes you may find coolies here also, means at herding. Similarly, at working, you also find coolie. Okay. Australian Shepherd and Corgi. They drive livestock and keep farm animals from straying, you see. But what happens? Farmers used to have these animals while driving, while going for a distance. And these animals take care of all those livestock. They means keep their animals, they prevent the animals from straying. When the animal used to stray, then they bark. Then animal comes to again in that group. Similarly, they use their function, this herding. Now next group is toy, like Pomeranian, Pug, Pekingese. These breeds comes under toy group. Original usage of what? They are being used for companion animals or as pet animals. Purely pet animals they are. Then other group is non-sporting, like terriers, Boston Terrier, Bulldog, Dalmatian, Poodle. Huh? They are what? They are non-sporting group. They breed principally as pets and companions. Companions and pets. Okay. Now we can see some photographs of these sporting dogs. Like in classification, you see sporting dogs, pointer, English Spaniel, Labrador Retriever. You might have seen no Labrador Retriever. I think everyone has seen
sir.
this dog. Labrador Retriever, Irish Setter. This is also very beautiful breed, Irish Setter. You see,
सर लैब्राडोर तो सर ट्रैकिंग में यूज होता है ना?
क्या? हाँ, they are
लैब्राडोर
also
ट्रैकिंग
they
में
are
यूज होता है.
हाँ, they are also used for tracking, even for that bomb disposal squad. No, they are also being trained for
Yes,
this
sir.
disposal of this bomb. Okay, these all
Yes,
depends
sir.
upon training. Okay, two things we needed for this. One is docility or temperament of animal. For any training, or for if you are using trained for any purpose, they should be temperament wise very docile and strong
Yes,
senses.
sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
and Labrador, of course, is very good breed. Then Terrier. Terrier, you see, Terriers. Scottish Terrier, Bull Terrier. See face of Bull Terrier. It looks like bull, no?
Yes,
Bull
sir.
Terrier.
So
Very
only
few
looking
breeds.
like a sheep.
Very few breeds are available in India. I think these are all exotic breeds. Non-sporting dogs. You see Dalmatian. Very few are in India, I think. Bulldogs. You might have seen so many times. Bulldog, Dalmatian. I think these two you might have. Someone this Lhasa Apso. Very furry breed. Lhasa Apso, huh?
Lhasa sir.
Might have from Tibet, huh?
Tibet.
Poodle. You see poodle.
Sir, poodle.
Poodle.
Model is also.
It looks like model, no? Poodle.
Yes, sir.
Poodle companion dog का है
क्या बाबू? बोलो बोलो।
poodle तो companion dog का companion dog का breed है
हाँ हाँ, मैं बताया ना कि ये ब्रीड्स जो है ओवरलैप भी होता है ग्रुप में. ये ऐसे ही बांटा गया है क्लासिफिकेशन आपके अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए. दे में ओवरलैप समवेयर. ओके, स्ट्रिक्ट कोई ग्रुप नहीं है. जैसे मैं बताऊं कि लेब्राडोर का यूज हम दूसरे पर्पस के लिए भी कर सकते हैं, है ना. स्ट्रिक्ट कोई रूल नहीं है. सिमिलरली barking dog, you see, Rottweiler, this you may find here, Rottweiler. Then Saint Bernard, Bull Mastiff also, Rottweiler.
Yes, sir.
Then Saint Bernard and Bull
Husky भी
Mastiff.
देखें सर.
Husky कहाँ देखा? ये
सर ये डॉग
यहाँ आया था सर.
डॉग फेस्टिवल में था.
अच्छा अच्छा
सर साइबेरियन हस्की आया था सर.
अच्छा अच्छा.
Rottweiler
You
भी
see,
देखें हैं.
Rottweiler, Saint Bernard,
Yes, sir.
Bull Mastiff,
Yes,
and
sir.
Siberian Husky. You have seen them. Okay, good.
यस सर. सेंट बर्नार्ड भी देखा है सर।
Saint Bernard,
बड़ा
very
सा एकदम।
common breed. Then next is herding dog. You see, they are used for maintenance of what? Livestock in a herd. Like you see, Australian cattle dog, German Shepherd, one you know, na? German Shepherd, at least one you
Yes,
know,
sir.
German Shepherd. Then similarly, its name itself says German Shepherd. Shepherd might be having this. Okay. Then Australian Shepherd. Then next come to toy breeds. Toy breeds. Here you find what? Pug. Everyone might have seen no pug. Then
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Pomeranian. Pomeranian is also very common breed. You find at every house, I think. Pomeranian, pug. Then anyone else? Chihuahua, the smallest breed of dog. Chihuahua.
Yes, sir.
सबसे छोटा ब्रीड हुआ सर।
Then next come hound. Here we find so many types of hound. Afghan hound, greyhound, bloodhound. One is this, you see, Basenji. Basenji is barkless dog. Barkless dog. They want to try, but sound is not coming out. That's why we called it barkless dog, Basenji. Okay.
Yes sir।
Now next, dog breeds. As you know, they have been classified on the basis of what? Their utility, their origin. Origin like Indian origin or exotic. Even exotic places are different, like some are from German, some is from American, like that. Classification has been done on the basis of what? Utility, like just we read out, those all sporting, non-sporting, herding, toy, these things. Then size of body. It was, range was what? 6 inches to 20 inches at shoulder. Then behavior and morphology. These are the basis of classification. They can be categorized in two main groups. One is exotic and second one is Indian breeds. You see, exotic breeds. Same thing I am repeating here so that some names might be imprinted on your mind. Okay. Like companion dogs, you see. Or you can say toy breeds. Example.
इसमें सबसे अच्छा लग रहा है, मॉडल अच्छा लग रहा है।
क्या? Pomeranian you will find, you see, every houses. Then Dalmatian, you see. Dalmatian, poodle, you know, these things. Then this one is what? Chihuahua and one this bulldog. Here three you can remember. First one is Pomeranian, second one is Dalmatian, third one is bulldog. At least you can remember these three. Then next one is, these all are exotic, you see. Barking dogs. Barking dogs, you see. First one is what? German Shepherd or Alsatian. Alsatian you might have heard from someone. Alsatian, they used to say Alsatian.
Yes, sir. And Charlton.
Then Doberman. This is also very common breed. No, Doberman.
Yes, sir.
संतोष का हमेशा नेटवर्क जाता रहता है, आता रहता है. Then boxer. and Rottweiler. These are very common group, very common. Alsatian, Doberman, Boxer, and Rottweiler. These four are very common. Okay. Then next is hunting dogs. Hunting dogs. You see, hounds comes under this group. Hunting dogs. Hounds like bloodhound, greyhound. Why they are hunting categorized as hunting dogs? Because they are agile, active, faster, running fast like that. That's why they have kept under hunting category. Similarly, tracking dogs. They are also very active dogs. Beagle, foxhound. They comes under tracking dogs. These all are exotic breeds. Okay. Then gun dogs. Golden retriever. They are used for bird shooting, sports, etc. Cocker spaniel. Spaniels लिखा हुआ. Golden retriever. German pointer. Some more horns you see. Terrier dogs. They are used for hunting animals living underground, like Australian Terrier, Bull Terrier. They are small breeds, terriers. Then Indian breeds. Next come Indian breeds. In India, you will find so many breeds, but still characterization is needed. There are many types of dog found in India in the form of domestication. Most of them are kept under rural and urban areas. In rural areas, you will find, but in urban areas at homes, mostly we are having exotic breeds of animals. Here some local breeds are Bhutia, then Himalayan sheepdogs, Rajapalian. You see, Rajapalian is
South
from
India.
Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu, you will find this Rajapalian. Then Rampur Hound. Rampur Hound is from UP. Rampur, you see. Pashmi Banjara, Taji, Mudhol Hound, you see, MP. These are all some Indian breeds of dogs. Okay. Then breed choice, selection of dog. Why these things are important? Selection of dog. Actually, while selecting any breeds, it all depends upon your choice. For what purpose you want to keep dogs. Means objective of dog keeping must be clear to you. Okay. Then you can choose better which breeds you really want. It is written here some points which can be given importance during breed choice, like objective of dog keeping. Depending upon purpose of dog keeping, you can choose your pets. Like a small breeds are suitable for companion. Companion breeds are what? Like what? Toy breeds. Like Pomeranian, then Pug, then Poodle. These all are companion breeds. Large dogs are what? Large dogs are for protection. Like German Shepherd. They are for
Yes, sir. Protection.
protection.
Guarding.
Some long and slender dogs are best for hunting. Long and slender. Hunting means hunting. You have to exercise, no? You have to run faster. You have to agile, active. In slender breeds, like Doberman.
Double.
Doberman. You say no? You see, Doberman. Even German Shepherds are used for hunting. Then you see eating habits of family. If you are a vegetarian and you wants to keep heavy breeds of dog, then they definitely they want non-veg. Then it will be difficult for you to keep those animals. Then while selecting these, you have to think also. Heavy and hunting breeds are suitable for non-vegetarian family, whereas companion and local dogs can easily be maintained by vegetarian families. That's why you have to keep these things also in mind. Okay, before choosing or before selecting any pets. Then some more points are like liking of pets. A pet dog should be a pet dog should be known to all members of family, close friends and relatives and vice versa. You can't select those types of dog who wants to live separately or in isolation. Companion dogs are what? They can intermingle with anyone. Otherwise, those ferocious dogs, they like only 2 or 3 families, 2 or 3 members. Unknown members, they can be harassed by these dogs. That these things also keeps in mind. You have to keep in mind. Then housing facility. Large, aggressive, ferocious dogs require separate housing, unlike friendly and toy breeds, which can be easily placed in your house, even in your rooms. But ferocious dogs you can't keep in your room. They may harm you. These things also you have to think. Then health and physical status of animal is also very important. Okay. Following points should be considered to select healthy and physically fit pups. This is also while selecting any animals, first you have to see the criteria of your objective of pet keeping. Then their health status also very important. Pups should be very active, alert, and should be curious. Their eye should be very clear, bright, healthy, free from any inflammation or lacrimation or discharge. While choosing pups, you have to see these things. Alert animal should be alert, healthy, no inflammation, no lacrimation or discharge from eye. Okay, nose should be also be free from any discharge, redness or fungal growth. Ears should not have any bad odor, any crust or eczematous patches. There should not be any eczema, you see, and it should be clean. Pink and firm gums. If you open the mouth of pup, you should find what? Pink and firm gums. Okay, it should not be yellowish. Then that hair coat should be free from any parasitic infection and have glossy, lustrous and clean. These things you have to examine while choosing or while selecting any pup. Okay, first one is objective of keeping, which will guide you for selection of breeds. Then health and physical status. You have to check health and physical status. You have to see what? First, general agility, activeness, curiousness, alertness. These things you have to examine. Then their eye should be examined for any inflammatory or this lacrimal discharge. Then ear, nose, hair coat, fur coat. These things have to examine. Then a skin should also be free from any scales. And ventral surface of body should not have any inflammatory areas. Not from top, even from dorsal area and ventral area. Dorsal top, no, ventral just underneath. Okay. Ventral surface of body should also have not any inflammatory areas. Animal should be free from any ticks or inflammatory areas, especially in claws. Okay, foot pad and groups. Pups should be in sound physical condition and respect of all body organ. Proper placement and function, temperature, pulse, respiration, these things also you have to examine. Then urine and fecal samples should also be normal. It means everything you have to examine before purchasing a dog. These criteria you have to follow for a healthy pup. You see, first point, objective of keeping, which will guide you for selection of breeds. Then physical status of pups. Then any type of